How to link your Instagram account to Facebook. In order to do that, what you can do is you can first head over right here to your Instagram, then click right here on your profile icon. And then from in there, just head over and click on the three line. Click on your account center right. You can head over and then just click on this repeatedly in order to successfully open this. Then from in here, you can see in here your profiles. So you can scroll down and click on this add more accounts. Now in this will open your Instagram on your actual browser, so you can head over and then open it later. Another option that you can do is you can also connect it to your Facebook page. Click on these three lines and then click on this setting. And since Meta Account Center on your Facebook will be connected, you can click on your Meta accounts on your Facebook. Scroll down, click on this add more accounts as well. And then it will show you the login option on Instagram, where you just need to head over and then put in here your login information in Instagram, and then they will be able to be linked. So that's how you link your Instagram account to Facebook. Hope you helped.